Hey, what's up, channel link holder? It's a really massive update for all of you, and I'm so happy to see this update. Oh my goodness, this time you can see here the change occurred last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour. I'm so excited to see this. What you say, my friend? Can you see here this is a massive update? Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I cannot expect this, my friend, from channel link, because in the previous days the channel link is very badly fails down, and no one can, I know my brothers too, no one expect this from channel link, but definitely this is reality. This is reality. This is not a fake. You can see, my friend, this time the channel link of that, and absolutely, my friend, this is real now. So what's the price prediction we predicate this coin? So definitely the prediction is going to be positive now, I hope, my brother. But let's see, my friend, this time the 18.73% the USD dollar price this time, and definitely the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But if you can see the last 7 days chart, oh, this is massive. Oh my goodness, after a very long fails, this coin is wake up now. So congratulations all of you, my brothers, to after a very long time they will take a jump. And everybody, I will my friend notify you too. Yes, they cannot take a small jump. Absolutely, the main reason is that, my friends, at the end of month every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So therefore, my friend, I think this is absolutely the main reason. But definitely, my friend, if a holder or hold, so this time exactly, my friend, they will move up for now. So holder, definitely this is the main reason. I already tell you to why they will move upward, and absolutely if you have any, my friend, idea to why they will move upward, so tell me in a comment box. But my friend, I share my experience and a craft from market. I have 3 year experience, my friend, and absolutely if you follow every channel, so hope you never lost. So kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, as you can see, it's time 25 June to 27 June. You can see here they fails down again. But after this short fails, you can see, my friend, they again take a very good jump now, especially in last 24 hours, my brother. They will completely in the profit now. And if you can see, my friend, the resistance line, so they cannot hit the resistance line in the same time. But I know, my brothers, too, they will just and only recover all the loss now, just and only in a few days. Let's see, holder, but please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching, channel link holder. Please like video.